In this presentation, we're going to talk about DevOps. We're going to do an overview of the key elements of DevOps and why this model has economic value, and why you should adopt a DevOps model in your organization. DevOps is a culture where development and operations work together with the goal of building, testing, and releasing software faster, more efficiently, reliably, and securely. There is a set of 3 underpinning principles that help accomplish that goal, and they are known as the 3 ways. The first way deals with making our work flow fast and smooth from development to operations in order to deliver value to customers quickly. We can increase this flow by making foundational changes in our deployment pipeline, such as making our work visible, reducing batch sizes and the number of handoffs between engineers. We strive to build quality into our work to prevent defects from moving downstream. With the foundations of our deployment pipeline in place, we then enable fast and reliable automated testing by building test suites to accompany our code. Manual testing is replaced with automation as much as possible. This testing will help us catch errors quickly and consistently. Breaking our work down into more manageable chunks or batches allows us to develop quickly. This agility gives us the ability to fix problems as they occur and allows us to integrate our changes more frequently. Committing these changes to a single trunk allows us to continually integrate our changes into production. Automating these deployments will help us reduce our lead time significantly and allow us to deliver value to our customers safely and quickly. The principles of the first way enable the fast flow of work from left to right in our value stream. The second way deals with having fast and continuous feedback from right to left. This is critical to achieve quality, reliability, and safety in our value stream. We see problems as they occur, swarm them, correct them, and in the process build knowledge. We can do this by enabling the creation and analysis of telemetry that is visible to all and that monitors as many points in our system as possible. We enable feedback processes so development and operations can safely deploy code, using toggle features as a way to do this. We enable hypothesis-driven development and establish A/B testing. These mechanisms give us valuable feedback for how our systems are performing. Finally, we review and coordinate our processes, such as our change approval mechanisms, to eliminate unnecessary bureaucratic processes that tend to increase our lead time. The third way focuses on creating a culture of continual learning and experimentation. We do this by creating learning from accidents and failures. We do this by constantly experimenting. We inject this learning into our daily work. We establish a just culture to make safety possible and establish transparent processes where we can analyze problems and failures in an objective way. We capture our learnings in central locations so that it's available for all to access and use. We can use chat rooms and other tools to make local knowledge available to everyone in our organization. Finally, we reserve time to create organizational learning and improvement. We enable everyone to teach and learn from each other and take advantage of conferences where we can learn and share with others. Besides the 3 ways and their guiding principles, another key element of DevOps is integrating information security, change management, and compliance into our work. Information security is everyone's job every day. We do this by integrating security into the development processes. Some of these include inviting information security personnel to product demonstrations, postmortems, and retrospective meetings. We integrate security controls and security testing into the deployment pipeline and include security telemetry alongside our DevOps telemetry. Finally, we protect our deployment pipeline by integrating security and compliance into our change approval processes.
Why adopting a DevOps model has economic value? The concept of continuous software delivery made the work easy of management, better and faster solution to the problem, productivity, and improved communication and collaboration among the team. DevOps enables more and faster code deployment, which means decreased time to market and more opportunity to capture revenue from the customer. DevOps make benefits directly and tangibly because it helps to increase your profit margin, and indirectly because it helps the employee to feel motivated by having goals and working in teams that pursue the same goal. Each employee participates actively on each project. All this made their task much easier, which will result in an increase of their productivity. Another economic value is to release the cost per release on one application by reducing time per release and reducing the staff required to release. By automating the testing, the company reduced multiple man days of effort down to an overnight hands-free process. Optimal resource utilization. A DevOps environment involves many resources for effective implementation. The use of processing power, memory, bandwidth, and network requirement must be effective and used to reduce the unnecessary costs associated with the resource utilization. By properly training the employee and placing the right policy in place, the unnecessary costs associated with the resource can be brought down. As we can see, DevOps not only benefits the work team, but also benefit the entire company economically. The employer do the job better, the application are of the great quality, and the customer receives the product in less time, of good quality, and with good technical support.
So why should you adopt a DevOps model? Um, Faster innovation is one big reason. Applications can be developed and deployed so much quicker when Dev and Ops are integrated into one big system. Um, DevOps teams are able to issue 200 times more frequent deployments than their peers, and that's according to the 2016 State of DevOps report. You also get better efficiency. Automation, as we know, is very important for DevOps. It's a key component of DevOps. And continuous delivery workflows allow for much faster and more frequent software releases. So having Dev and Ops working together just lets us get code out much quicker. There's also fewer failures with DevOps. DevOps teams are able to catch errors earlier on in development. DevOps cultures have 60 times fewer failures than those using other methods. This is also according to a recent State of DevOps report. You also get increased security. The DevOps model enables continuous auditing, which lets us constantly know what's changing in our applications. So it provides us with constant security. And good telemetry is just a massive part of what DevOps is. You're constantly getting information back about your applications, receiving data, and being able to make decisions on the fly because of that telemetry. So to conclude, we've talked about the key elements of DevOps, the economic value of adopting a DevOps model, and just so many good reasons why you should adopt a DevOps model. Any questions?